Okay, so on this question, I'm going to actually draw an axis system for us. Over here. And then I'm going to put some points out. So let me see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, got an axis system, bunch of numbers. So I'm going to plot some points. Now, I don't know if you're familiar. This is called the x-axis right here, and this is called the y-axis. So the sideways line, the sideways grid line is the x-axis. The vertical grid line is the y-axis. On this question, they want us to plot the point 2, 1. Well, I'm going to plot it. So starting from the origin, over 2, up 1. So over 2, up 1. There it is. Remember, the first number is over, and the second number is up or down. So over 2, up 1. So there's 2, 1. Now, there's quadrant numbers. So this is quadrant. This is quadrant number 1. And this is quadrant number 2. I think, don't we usually display it by Roman numerals? Yeah. So this is quadrant number 3. 1, 2, 3. Remember, they use Roman numerals because they don't want to confuse you with the numbers that are the points. This is quadrant 4. So we start here in upper right-hand corner is quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. And so what they're asking us for, as we're saying, the point 2, 1, which is right here. Where is it? Is it in quadrant 1, 2, 3, or 4, or on the x-axis or the y-axis or the origin? Well, we can see that it is quadrant number 1, isn't it? To the point 2, 1 is in quadrant 1. Okay, how about the next one? How about negative 1, negative 3? So that's back 1, down 1, 2, 3, right there. Back 1, down 3. That point's in quadrant 3. So again, remember the first number is over, second number is up or down, positive up, negative down. Let's do the third one. So back 6, up 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there it is, back 6, up 5. That's in quadrant 2. And then the next one, 2, 2. So starting from the origin, over 2, up 2, right there. 2, 2, that's in quadrant 1. Okay. Now for the next one, back 1, up 0. So starting from the origin, remember the first number is over, again, second number is up or down. So back 1, up 0. So it just ends up right there. Back 1, up 0. It's right there, which means it's on the what? The x-axis, isn't it? See how that one just lands on the x-axis? It just goes back 1 and then up 0, because the first number is over, the second number is up or down. Just ends right there on the x-axis. And then the last one here is over 0, up 1. So over 0, up 1, right there, because again, the first number is over, the second number is up or down. So there's over 0, up 1, right there. So that's on the y-axis, isn't it? It's not in one of the quadrants necessarily, but it's right on the y-axis. So there we go.